What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to clear the service required maintenance reminder, which will also reset the oil life after an oil change, on a 2022 Kia Carnival. And this will vary a bit depending on your Carnival's options. The Carnival in this video has the all-digital dash. So we'll need our vehicle either on or running. Then we're going to come over here to the center screen. And if you're not already there, go ahead and click the home button. And then we're going to scroll over and click Setup. Once we're on this screen, we'll click Vehicle. And it's going to bring us to this screen, and we'll click Cluster. Come over here and click Service Interval. And from here, you can adjust the distance or duration. This one was just reset, but to reset it, we'll click Reset. And then Yes. And as you can see there, it's been reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.